Hello, I'm Lucinda, a trainer at Acuity Training Limited. I teach Excel, and this short video is to help you decide which level is right for you. This clip is about our Excel Intermediate level. This is for the user who already has basic skills like working with formulae and formatting, but they'd like to develop their skills and confidence further. We'll be looking at areas like filtering, sorting and charting, which are all covered in our Excel Intermediate courses. Let's have a look at an example of sorting that you'd be covering on the course. First of all, you would need a database, just like this one on my screen here. How would we sort this database, let's say by last name? To do this, we could either go to the Home tab, and across to the end of the ribbon we see in the Editing group, Sort and Filter. And here we find at the top two basic sorts, A to Z and Z to A. By clicking on last name, the column that we wish to sort by, we can now come across up to Sort and Filter, click on Sort A to Z, and we see that the last name list is now sorted A to Z. You may wish to sort by the office that the people work in. So again, we select the column Office, come up to the Editing group, Sort and Filter, and let's sort the offices Z to A. If we click on that option, we can see that Paris comes first. If we scroll down, we can see that Auckland comes at the end. We can also sort by number in Excel, because sorting is alphanumeric. So we've already sorted by letter, and now let's sort by number. Let's go to our age column. Click on the age column, come up to Sort and Filter, and we'll do a smallest to largest. So notice it's actually changed from A to Z to smallest to largest. Click, and we see that the smallest age is now at the top, which is 35 and a half years, right down to the highest age, 65 years and 1 month. Let's switch it round, so making sure that we're clicked into the age column, Sort and Filter, and largest to smallest. And it switches, as you can see, look, the age column round. 65 years and 1 month is now at the top, and 35 years and a half is now at the bottom. So this is how we sort in Excel. Looking next at filtering, we're going to turn the filter on next. So again, we can stay in the Home tab, we can come across to Sort and Filter, and we can actually turn on the filters in Excel now. And what you'll notice is that you now have filter arrows along the header row, the top row of the database, where our field names are. These are the names of the columns. And we can now filter. For example, we might want to see just the people in our database in the Dublin office. Let's do that. Let's come across to our office filter arrow, click on the down arrow, come right down to our items for our database here, look, and we're going to deselect everything to turn everything off. And now we're going to select Dublin to show just the people that work in our Dublin office. And if we click on OK, we can now see the people just in our Dublin office. Now to bring everyone back again, to bring the data back again onto the sheet, because it's just hidden at the moment, we can go back up, look, to our office filter arrow, which has a little filter on there to show us that we have just filtered, clicking on the down arrow and selecting all our information again, and clicking on OK to bring it back. And there we see all our data brought back. You may want to look at the different positions in the company and look for particular positions like an enterprise leader. So we want to see all of the enterprise leaders in the company. So again, we go to enterprise leader, clicking on the down arrow, selecting everything and looking for enterprise leader. There they are. Clicking on OK, and we now just see 5 enterprise leaders. Out of 90 records, look, we can see at the bottom here on our status bar, 5 of 90 records have been found. This would all be learnt on the intermediate class and much more. If this is for you and you wish to book, go to www.acuitytraining.co.uk. I hope you've enjoyed this short introduction to Excel Intermediate, and if we can help you further, please do give us a call on 01483 688 488. Thank you for listening. Bye.